Peace and blessings, and welcome back to the Just New YouTube channel. Today we are live with how to plant an herb garden. Make sure that you follow Just New on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are using raised bed and potting mix organic plus from my favorite store, Home Depot. And so between the two of my garden beds, I evenly spread about 4 bags into each garden bed. Alright, so prior to us even planting anything into our garden bed, we have to make sure that the soil is nice and soaked. So I adjusted my water hose to the shower pressure, and I am just going to soak the dirt. Having an herb garden is super awesome and super great because it's yours. You've created it, you've nurtured it, and you have so much appreciation for the herbs that you will be planting in your garden. The first plant that we will be planting in our herb garden is the sweet banana organic pepper. It is made by Bonnie Plants, which is also purchased at Home Depot. This is a compostable plant, meaning that prior to you putting it into the ground, the whole entire pot has to be soaked with water. After soaking my plant, I am just going to evenly spread out that soil to make sure it's leveled. Oh yeah, just so you know, fun fact, banana peels, apple cores are great for the soil. Put them in there, mix them up, cover it with dirt. It's great nutrients for your plants, just like it's great for your body. Alright, now that we've got that soil evenly raked, I am going to go ahead and dig my hole. I'd rather dig a larger hole than a smaller hole. So I am going to at first put my pot in. It's a little bit too deep, so I'm going to go ahead and cover just a little soil on the bottom. And I want to cover the pot completely with soil on the surface. Once the pot is completely covered on the surface, you did it, girl. You planted your first plant. Good job. I enjoy keeping the little sticks that come with the plants initially to know that whatever I planted is that. So this is the sweet banana pepper. Don't forget to put that in the ground right alongside of it. Who does not love fresh parsley? OMG, flat Italian parsley by the same brand, Bonnie Plants, of course. And this is such a fave of mine. I love it to put on my pizza and my lasagna. And I'm going to do the same thing repetitively, which is to make sure my hole is about 1/4 deep. Our parsley roots look so amazing. They are super healthy, and that tells you they are ready to go in the ground. Don't forget to put that informational stick right alongside your parsley so you know exactly what you planted. Alright, moving on to my fave, the Roma tomato. Roma tomato is alkaline. It is my absolute favorite tomato to make spaghetti sauce with. I'm going to take the plastic off of this one because it is not compostable, and really just kind of making sure the roots and everything are ready to go in the ground. I really think my appreciation for plants stemmed from my grandmother, who always stayed in her garden when I was a child, and I think I picked that up from her. So I love you, Granny. Thank you. Don't forget to put that informational stick right in the ground with that tomato. So this red onion that I am going to plant was a total DIY, and I cut off the top of an onion, saved it, and nourished it in the home with some soil. And it's looking like it's ready to sprout, so I am going to put it in the garden to see what it does. I am going to plant it with a banana peel that I did put in the bed, just because it honestly is my first time growing an onion. And there you have it, guys. Everything is officially planted. I say it is going to be amazing. Speak power into your plants. The fact that you built your own garden and got your hands dirty, girl, you did that.